everyone, this is Miss Mara, and today I'm going to be talking about gifting. But before we get into that, I would like to invite you to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already. Hit that notification bell so that you know when the next video comes out. Also follow my Instagram and Twitter accounts at Mara Domina, where you can find live life updates and when new photo sets come out. So, gifting. Tribute is a gift in acknowledgement of gratitude or esteem. It is what people give their sovereigns as a way of thanking them for keeping the peace or doing a fantastic job at ruling. It's about giving and not expecting anything in return. I've noticed here is another huge distinction between true subs and fetishists, which I will get into in a bit. August is my birth month. So, in preparation for this annual life event and for upcoming holiday seasons, I update my wish lists for specific items I have my eyes on. Hint, hint. For the rest of the year, I like to have a reserve, which I treat like a savings, to pool cash for whenever I have the need to use it. Per the latter, I have yet to understand why it is so difficult for some people to want to gift cash rather than actual objects. Note, I said some. For example, foot fetishists want me to receive shoes that they either wish to see me in, or ones that I choose because I will still be fulfilling their love for seeing my feet in something they paid for, and the fact that I chose that specific style makes it more dedicated to me. Cash may seem impersonal to some people, but if they don't want to purchase from my wish lists, I prefer cash if they're requesting the transaction to be over the internet. Sometimes I need to think about what it is I want and need now. Gifting cash lets me leave it in the bank, and when I am ready, the person who the gift is supposed to be for anyway, I can purchase at my leisure. Unknown to most, I invest most of my earnings into savings and CDs. The rest of it goes to life expenses, marketing, and travel or home improvement. Some of my followers can be very impatient when it comes to gifting, and since those male and female organs are tied directly to their wallets, when I've noted my need for more time, sometimes they ended up not being able to deliver said tribute due to the short time that had passed. AKA, they changed their mind about donating, found someone else to tribute to, or are no longer turned on by the act. I've narrowed these clients down to instant submissives, wanting the instant gratification of giving something that can be appreciated by me and admired by others now, versus real submissives and fetishists who genuinely want me to be happy and focus on me as a person rather than themselves or the general public. These Insta subs don't understand that I'm a very busy lady and need time to envision what my current desires are and what I've been thinking long term more than short term. As I've matured during my dominant years, I've stopped wanting super materialistic items as badly as when I first started out. I wanted Louboutins, the best and softest leather, and full latex pieces. After acquiring a few of each in those categories, I'm currently seeking things for my home and implements that are more expensive due to the fine handmade craftsmanship, but will ensure countless years of use should I take great care of it. I'm looking for things that will bring me endless, or rather daily joy over a moment of satisfaction. As a reminder, this of course only applies to the Insta subs and fetishists. Most of my subs are loyal, and even though I have an even split of both subs and fetishists, they are specifically drawn to me because of my nature. Hence, my way of thinking is honored, my desires are never questioned, and in return, I feature these fine folk on social media and my reflections page on my website as a way to say thank you. One submissive said cash was easier for him as it was untraceable, and it's like Christmas with families who have given up in trying to buy you things. Quote, you can give yourself whatever you want when you want, end quote. And I am 100% behind this. For others, I'm even forwarded the tracking number of the gift, unless it's a surprise, so that I know when it arrives at my mailbox. On my website, I've dictated all the brands that I love. I always encourage an email if there are any questions concerning type, size, hues, duplicates in different shades, etc. That way, I can approve what you're thinking and I won't have to return it or gift it to someone else. Should it be a surprise, my basic measurements are also found on my Tribute page. Gift cards are also appreciated. They are like cash, but for a specific store, and again, I can pick and choose what I like when I want. If I'm on a dawn date with you, that is different. I have a spontaneous side as well and can fall in love with something on a whim. There is a difference of the two contexts. Note that online is an alternative and very separate from in-person shopping. Submissives earn the right to be beside me, only to serve. The experience I provide for them is picking things out, having them carry my bags around, and of course, opening their wallet to make the final purchase. It's mutually beneficial and I wouldn't have it any other way. Ethical financial domination is a whole other topic, but in short, I work with budgets dedicated for this type of play. I won't drain a person so that they cannot live by basic means, including supporting a family. With all of this said, I'm extremely grateful for the gifts that I've received all these years, from thigh-high boots to the latest fetish fashion, to the private jet rides, to different metropolitan cities, and Michelin star dining before an overnight at a luxury cabin in wine country. I will always treasure and remember the submissives and fetishists who have allowed me to experience these gems, and I look forward to spending even more time with you all as we both grow and our tastes evolve to more extensive sophistication. So, thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. Like I mentioned, my birthday is coming on the 12th of August. If you'd like to send me something, my wish lists are down below. And feel free to email me if you have any questions. Gift cards to hardware stores are just as great as new implements. So let me know in the comments or email me for any guidance on what you would like to gift. You can watch my other videos here on gifting. Don't forget to subscribe, follow my social media, and until next time, be safe, have fun, and keep it kinky, everyone.